Welcome to our next video from China, from Fuzhou, where our office is located here. And we working with local manufacturers, trying to help local businesses who progress in innovation and design and advanced technologies. Clothing been very interesting industry. With famous brands opening and becoming billionaires like Lululemon and other brands. Of course, traditional brands are advancing their clothing lines as well, from Europe to, well, I guess China as well. Japan is big on golf, and many brands are very famous for certain lines. What this company does, it's very unique. Not unique for China, but unique for our Western understanding of manufacturing. They're a white label company. So technically, they work on brands or for brands and helping them to manufacture what they design. But what is unique about this particular one? They became so advanced, they became so acknowledged that they decided to open own brands. And that's what we explore today. But before, we want to explore also another side of business, the corporate culture of this company. And this is where they absolutely differ from whatever I saw before. And that's why we're helping them to be uh, in the world, because we support those who actually value human beings and human behavior and relationship and respectfully treat customers and their partners. Normally, people think of China as a low-grade material manufacturer, forgetting that almost 100% of famous clothing companies around the world, I don't want to name them, but they use manufacturing in China. Materials are great, quality of stitching is incredible, and it's absolutely amazing how companies. Why we pick this one? We pick this one because of a very unique approach to business. I am inside of their facility. This is traditional Chinese garden inside the house. And that's how they design the factory. Places like this exist here. And how they treat their workers, how they treat their guests. It's very respectful, very Western wise in a good sense, because Western sometimes is not a good word here because of the clumsiness and, well, not a bad behavior of foreigners in China. But China is open to the world, and that's why we're discovering these treasures, these gems of business in China for you, for our audience, not only in Canada where we are, but in North America and around the world. So we're here and we will show a little bit more. So what is this company? This company is a white label company. That's what people call in business. And white label is a manufacturer for many brands in the world. In this particular case, we're talking about manufacture of high quality production and very superior design. Why is that? They started in Europe, and Europeans are very picky on design, as you know, and the quality is a highest standard in Europe because a lot of people involved in outdoor uh, mountain sports, fishing, hunting, and that's how they started. But back in 2009, they discovered Canada and US and started working with some brands there. So what is important to understand when we're talking about manufacturers like this? China used to be the workshop of the world, as people call it in the 90s. But in 2000s, China is a trendsetter. And what we're talking about trends and what we're talking about designs, I think it's fair to say that we dealing with certain things, particularly in recent history when Lululemon became famous and many other brands came to light because of the a new generation of people who interested in outdoors and sport, athletics, yoga, and many other things. So this particular company specialize in certain things they found more interesting for people in terms of North American and European markets. Well, understandably so, because in this case, we're talking about high interest in sports, in outdoors, in hunting, in fishing, and they definitely separate very uniquely genders here for males and females. They have very suitable stuff, and some of it very progressive, and some of it even advanced. But what's interesting, they always thinking ahead. In this case, we're talking about catalog of 2027. I was impressed. They are trendsetters because they have colors design and collaborated with Europe, and they have very interesting selection of projections, I would say, in style, in color, and I was impressed actually how they managed to do that in a small factory in China. We are here in China and we are collaborating with this company. We really trying to help them to discover market at a new level because they're expanding. They're interested in producing stuff that would be, well, I guess, mass produced and very affordable and very comfortable. And I think that's exactly where we stand in terms of this possibility for people to continue buying high quality material at very affordable price, but at the same time to be on the front line of design. With that, I encourage people to check and follow our videos from China, where we are. We're in the center of uh, fast forward Chinese economy. And that is exactly why we have office in Fuzhou, in Fujian province. And I think it's a great positioning. Do you see this outdoor design? This is how this factory actually maintained its existence with traditional design of outside plants and decoration because they feel proud about themselves. And I think this is important to understand. When people talking about ethical production, people used to think about China as a cheap labor. There is nothing like that. They respect their workers, they respect their management, and they respect the status, the spirit of this manufacturing company. And it's quite big, it's quite clean, absolutely amazing. And we were allowed to film here because again, they ready to open themselves for the market. And I think market is ready for them to be open.